Hello, my name is Lucy Adlington, author of The Red Ribbon. For over 20 years I've been researching and presenting on costume history, so I am fascinated by the stories that clothes tell, and this could be the people who wear them, or indeed the people who make them. And several years ago I first came across mention of a dressmaking salon, a fashion salon in Auschwitz, a grotesque contrast. And based on what I knew, I crafted a story of survival. Since the book has been published in many languages, I've had the privilege of discovering more about the lives of the real dressmakers of Auschwitz. And my characters are fictional: Rose, Ella, Marta, and Carla. But the world they endured is not. And the themes of the book can be specific to a time and place in history, but they're also universal. I think they're very relevant now. There's the danger of othering, creating divisions between us and them, and the hatred and violence that comes from that. There's also the power of a seemingly simple skill, often overlooked, skill of sewing, which in this case can literally save your life. Then there's the power of friendship and loyalty, even in the most extreme circumstances. And above all, this book is a story of hope, symbolised by a red ribbon. So thank you for helping me share this story with a wider audience.